Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's be real. Many of us are struggling with managing our budgets. Sometimes, no matter how hard we try, it doesn't come out perfectly. That's why a lot of people turn to budget planners to stay on track. If you look on Etsy, you'll see that budget planner is not only in demand for personal use, but they're also a hot selling product. In fact, some people are actually earning extra income by selling their own budget planner in Etsy. That's how powerful and useful this tool can be. And here's the exciting part. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create a budget planner in Canva. We'll cover the main topics that every budget planner should have. So whether you're making your own personal finances or planning to sell your own design online, you'll know exactly where to start. So let's dive in and let's begin editing your budget planner in Canva. Now let's start creating our budget planner in Canva. First, click a design and choose A4 size since it's the most common and printable format. Once the blank page opens, this will be our cover page. Next, add a text box at the center and type in the title, Budget Planner. Make sure the font is clear, bold, and easy to read because it will set the tone of your planner. After that, let's add a simple background. Go to Photos section on the left panel and search for a background image that fits the theme. Something clean, minimal, and not too distracting, like a pastel colors, abstract patterns, or a simple texture. Once you find the right photo, drag it onto your page and adjust its cover to the background. And adjust it to cover the background. And just like that, we have a neat and professional looking cover page for our budget planner. Now we have the cover. Let's add the monthly page. Click Add Page and at the very top, insert the text for months of the year, January through December. So users can easily pick this month they're budgeting for. Add the text label that says paycheck. Then below it, add smaller text boxes for the date and the amount. Organize it neatly. Underneath, let's start with the income section. You can either use the table or simply draw lines where people can fill in their details. At the bottom of the income section, make space for the totals. Add text for expected, actual, or difference. This way, users can compare what they planned versus what really happened. Once that's done, it's super easy to build the other sections. Simply duplicate the income section and rename it for expenses, debt, savings, sinking funds, bills. Each sections will have the same structure so it looks consistent and easy to follow. Finally, at the bottom of the page, let's add a summary section. This is where all the totals from each category can be written down in one place, giving a quick snapshot of the monthly budget at a glance. And that's it. We now have a complete budget planner page ready to use. If you want this budget planner, just head over to our website. It's plrdoc.com. I'll put the link on the description below. Let's now go to the next page. Next, let's create the monthly overview page. At the top, add text for the main checkpoints of the month. This should include main financial goals, saving goal, debt payoff goal, income goal, saving balance, and debt balance. Insert lines under each heading so users can easily write down their numbers and targets. Next, let's add a table to organize their finances clearly. The table should have columns for paycheck and total, and also rows for income, bills, debt, expenses, savings, sinking funds. This allows users to track both paycheck by paycheck details and the overall total. Below the table, let's insert a checklist section to reflect on progress, and 3 headings with bullet points or checkboxes. Achievements, goal reach, what to continue or what to stop. This section helps users evaluate their habits and adjust for the next month. Finally, at the bottom of the page, add a notes or ideas section. Insert simple box here where users can jot down reminders, creative ideas, and anything they want to remember. And that completes the monthly overview page. It's both a goal setting and reflection tool in one. To make it easy, simply duplicate the monthly overview page just we created earlier. Once the copy is ready, all we need to do is adjust the table. Instead of having columns for paycheck and total, change the table so the columns are labeled from January to December. Keep the rows the same with income, bills, debt, expenses, savings, and sinking funds. This way, users can record their totals for each category month by month and see their financial progress across the whole year at a glance. And just like that, we now have a clean and functional yearly overview page. Let's set up the Afterpay tracking page. At the top, add the title Afterpay Tracker Then below the title, insert a table to organize the details and following headings across the table like store, purchase date, item, total, amount due, and installments. Under each heading, insert space for users to fill in their information. For the installments, add checkboxes below so users can tick off each payment as they go. Once the first table is complete, select the whole section and group it together. Then simply duplicate the group table 4 times. This gives enough space for users to track multiple Afterpay purchases on a single page. And that's it. Your Afterpay tracker page is now ready to use. And there you have it. We've just walked through step by step on how to create a budget planner in Canva. From setting up the cover page, to the monthly income and yearly overviews, trackers, and everything else you need to stay on top of your finances. Budgeting doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With a clear system like this, you have all your income, expenses, savings, and goals neatly organized in one place. Whether you're using it for yourself or even planning to sell them online, this template gives you the perfect starting point. Now, if you want to grab this full version of the budget planner, I've got you covered. Just head over to our website. It's plrdoc.com. I'll make sure to add the link on the description below. There you will find this ready-made budget planner and plenty of other designs that you can use right away. Start organizing your finances today and take control of your money the smart way. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial. Bye!